Emmet extension is inbuilt in newer version of Visual Studio Code. Emmet helps developers to write code faster. For example, to start writing HTML5 code, just type HTML:5 and press Tab key. Create a div element with class name using div.className and press Tab key. Create a unordered list with 10 items using ul greater than li multiply by 10. Create paragraph with both class name and a id. Type p.className #idname. Press Tab. Finally, create 10-row table with each row having a class name and each cell having another class name. Table greater than tr.row greater than td.className multiply by 10. These are the mostly used HTML shortcuts using Emmet extension in Visual Studio Code. Its syntax is inspired by CSS selectors.